Welcome. In this session, we'll gently guide our attention to the breath, noticing thoughts and sensations without judgment, with a goal to relax and to relieve from our daily stresses. Let's begin. Find a comfortable and quiet space where you can sit undisturbed for a few minutes. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable doing so. Bring your awareness to your breathing, focusing on the sensation of air moving in and out of your nostrils. Silently count each inhalation and exhalation up to 5, then start back at 1 again. As you continue following each breath, you may notice your mind starting to wander to other thoughts about the day. This is normal. When it happens, gently return your attention back to the breath without any self-judgment. I often catch my mind wandering during meditation too. It takes practice to stay focused. Even after years of meditation, the mind continues its habit of getting distracted. Don't get discouraged. It's simply what minds do. Keep redirecting back to the breath. Now that you have settled into the rhythm of your breath, see if you can simply observe each inhalation and exhalation without counting. Pay attention to where you feel the breath most prominently, perhaps in your chest or belly. You might notice the slight pause between each in and out breath. As thoughts enter your awareness, imagine them floating by like clouds passing in the sky, while keeping your main focus on the breath. Notice how you feel now compared to the start of this meditation. See if you can carry this calm, focused presence with you as you transition back to your day. Remember, you can return to your breath at any time to find this place of peace within. And that concludes our session. Thank you for joining me. Until we practice again for more mindful minutes, may you walk gently, live fully, and find tranquility within. Stay mindful, friends.